Now before proceeding to the sums, okay, there are some things that you need to know, and the first thing is a to the power 0, okay, equals to 1. So a can be any number, okay, that means anything to the power 0 is always 1. Anything to the power 0 is always 1. The next thing is 1 by a to the power n. So here a to the power n is in the denominator, okay. So we have to take it to the numerator. So how will you take is, simply you can write a to the power minus n, okay. So while the power is in denominator, you are trying to take it to the numerator, then what will happen? The power will become negative. In fact, it will change the sign. For example, sometimes it can be like this also, minus m, okay, a to the power minus m. So in this case we will get a to the power m, because when the term goes up to the numerator, the sign will be changed. The sign of the power, in fact, okay, the sign of the power will be changed, okay. So this is the main point. Now let's move to the exercise, okay. So moving to the exercise 1.6, number 1, okay. Number 1 is you have to find 64 to the power half, okay, using laws of exponent. So how will you find? Okay, so you can see here the power is in fraction, isn't it? So the power is in fraction, okay. So what you can do here is you have to make it integral. Anyhow you have to make it integral. So how will you make? So this 2 has to be cancelled, isn't it? This 2 has to be cancelled. So can I write 64 as the square of something, like something square or something like that? Yes, okay. So we can write 64 as okay, can we prime factorize it? Can we prime factorize it? So 64, so we'll start from 2, 32, okay, next 2, 16, next 2, 8, next 2, 4, next 2, 2, next 2, 1. So how many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 whole to the power half, isn't it? So this means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So how many times? 6 times. That means 2 to the power 6 whole to the power half, isn't it? So now here we will use the law of exponent. Here see, 2 is raised to the power 6 and it is again raised to the power half. So is it of the form a to the power m whole to the power n? Yes, it is of the form a to the power m whole to the power n. So in such case we will multiply the power. Why? The reason is, since a to the power m whole to the power n is how much? A to the power m n. Mn means m into n. So the power will be multiplied, isn't it? So that is why you will get 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 2 to the power 3, that is how much? 8. So the answer is 8, okay. So similarly it will make you more clear when we do the next question, and the next question is 32 whole to the power 1 by 5, okay. So here also what we will do is we will prime factorize 32 first. So 32, how much? 2 16s, 2 8s, again 2 4s, again 2 2s, after that 2 1s. So this you can write it as how much? 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times whole to the power 1 by 5, isn't it? So in such case again what you will do, you will now write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 can be written as 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 1 by 5, isn't it? So again it is of the form a to the power m whole to the power n. So this, in this case also power will be multiplied, isn't it? So 5 gets cancelled, it will get 2 to the power 1. So 2 to the power 1 is 2 itself, okay. So this is how you will do, okay. This is number 2 of question number 1. So question number 1, number 3 is your homework, okay. Now we'll proceed to question number 2, number 1. Okay, so the question is 9 3 by 2, 9 to the power 3 by 2. Okay, so you have to find the value of this. So how you will find is, now see, here also the power is in fraction. Okay, somehow we have to make it integral. Okay, integral means 1 2 3 4 like that. Okay, so so how will you do this is, again you can write 9 as 3 into 3, isn't it? So it is 3 by 2. Okay, so 3 into 3 is 3 square whole to the power 3 by 2 again. Okay, again this is in the form of a to the power m whole to the power n. A here is 3. Okay, so what will happen? Base will remain same, power will be multiplied, so 3 by 2. So this is how much? 2 and 2 gets cancelled, you will get 3 to the power 3. So 3 to the power 3 means how much? 3 into 3 into 3, 3 times, that is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So this is your answer for question number 2 1. Okay, so similarly you can do question number 2 2 and 3 as your homework. Okay, so I want you to do this as your homework. Next we'll move to question number 3 number 1. Okay, so question number 3 number 1, and the question is 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 5. Okay, so here you can see that the bases are same. Okay, isn't it? 2 2. So for the both cases, for the both numbers, the bases are same but the powers are different. So in this case what we will do, we are multiplying, isn't it? Bases are same and we are multiplying. So according to the first law of exponents, base will remain same and the power will be added, isn't it? Why? Because a to the power m into a to the power n is a to the power m plus n. Okay, so the powers will be added. So you know how to add, right? So this is LCM will be 15. Okay, as you are already in class 9, you should know how to add. So I hope you know how to add. So 3, this will be 5 times 5 to the 10 plus 5 3. I am going quickly because I think you know how to add. So 13 by 15. So this is the answer, 2 to the power 13 by 15. Okay, so next number 2, you can see the question is 1 by 3 cube whole to the power 7. Okay, so this how we will do here. See, this power 7 whole to the power 7 means this power 7 is meant for both numerator and for the denominator. Okay, so it will go for the both. So it will go for numerator also, that is 1 to the power 7. Okay, and for denominator also 3 cube whole to the power 7. Okay, so this will be 1 to the power 7 will be how much? 1 only. No matter how many times you multiply 1 with itself, you will get 1 only. Okay, so 1 to the power 100, 1 to the power 1000 or 1 to the power anything is 1. Okay, divided by this one, it is also in the form a to the power m whole to the power n. So the base will remain same and the power will be multiplied, isn't it? So how much will you get? 1 by 3 to the power 3 into 7, that is 21. So 3 to the power 21. Okay, so here also question number 3, number 3 and number 4 are your homeworks. Okay, so how many homeworks do you have in total? See, number 1, number 3 is your homework, exercise 1.6. Question number 2, number 2 and 3 are also your homework, and question number 3, number 3 and 4 are also your homework. So this is your homework. Okay, bye bye students.